If you're looking to make some extra money by displaying ads on your blog, Google AdSense is a great option. Google AdSense is a program that allows bloggers to make money by displaying ads on their blogs. It works because Google will provide you with a code to insert into your blog, and then they will serve the ads. When someone clicks on one of the ads, you will earn money. There are a couple of things to keep in mind if you want to use Google AdSense on your blog. First, you need to make sure that your blog is getting enough traffic. If no one is reading your blog, then there's no one to click on the ads. Second, you need to make sure that your blog content is high quality. Google wants to show ads on websites that provide valuable content to their users. If you're interested in using Google AdSense on your blog, sign up for an account and insert the code into your website. You can start earning money as soon as the ads are live. Just keep in mind that you need to have high quality content and enough traffic for the program to be effective. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, which motivates us to create videos with meaningful and useful content.